Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name's Adrienne if you're new. And if you're not new, welcome back to another motherfucking hair video. As y'all see, my face is already done. I tried something different with my makeup today because I don't know. I was seeing the girls do this whole like gray eyeshadow look and it kind of turned out fire. Anyway, so now that the face is done, we are gonna get into our hair. Please excuse the noise in the background. My little brother is cleaning his room for the holidays. Today we are being sponsored by Klaiyi hair. Y'all know I love Klaiyi. They always send me some really good wigs and I am always so grateful to be working with them. So shout out to them again for sponsoring the video. Let's get into some of the goodies that they sent. Y'all know I always show y'all everything that I got. So we got some alligator clips, of course. HD wig caps, I always get these. They sent us this little pouchy with some more goodies in here. More wig caps, some really cute little press-ons. So these are kind of cute. These are the press-ons. And then we got a melting band. This video is gonna be a little different. I wanna do a braided type of hairstyle on it. I've never done a braided style on a wig before. This is how the hair comes packaged. I'm not really sure how long this unit is. I believe it's like 24 inches. I'm not really sure though. It is a Yaki textured, looks like. Yeah, it has like a more textured feel to it. So pretty. But this is a closure unit. You do get a band here, an adjustable band to adjust to the width or like the tightness that you want. No side combs, but we do have a back comb. And I'm a little bit nervous about that. Y'all know how I feel about needing side combs. Jump scare. I'm gonna slide my little band off. I think I just wanna kind of push it back. I don't necessarily want to add product to my actual hair, so I don't think we're gonna do that part today. I just don't feel like the theatrics, you know? This is what I look like with just a wig cap on. I be feeling like my head just looks large. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it on like this. Okay, so this is the hair, just straight on my head, nothing more done to it, anything like that. It looks really cute. I love this texture. Looks very natural. To me, in my opinion, it's giving silk press or blowout more so. Yeah, it's giving more blowout than silk press, but it's so pretty. Y'all know I can't really braid for real, so I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. But especially with this being a closure, we don't have very much space to work with. Why did I choose to do this? No clue. That's cute where they have like the pieces down in the front and then the sides kind of braid to like a little half up. That's kind of cute. So we're not gonna complicate this. We're just gonna do two little pulls right here in the front. I'm trying to make it even here. I'm gonna kind of tie these away for a second. The lace is really nice. Like the fact that I actually want to braid this is crazy. I think we're gonna do so 4 braids in total, or 4 rolls, because I can't really braid. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'll be doing. All right, hey y'all, it's a whole new day. Yesterday we could not finish our hair video, but I did go ahead and style it off camera. I also cut my nails, so it made it a whole lot easier. So here is the wig on. It's so cute. It came out a lot better than I was thinking it was gonna be. We're gonna cut these little bang pieces in the front a little bit shorter, but all in all, this is fire. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my flat iron on to 450, just because it is a more textured hair. But I think all I'm gonna do is just straighten this out. I'm so glad this style came out, y'all, because I was so very nervous about it. Again, this is a glueless unit, so I'm not gonna glue it down today. I'm gonna just leave it like this. Again, y'all saw me just throw it on. It's a really good wig. I do like the quality of it, but I would probably have to end up like gluing this hair down. This is so cute though. I'm impressed. I really, truly did not think I was gonna pull this style off, but here we are. Here we are. So I'm just gonna take the pieces that we just cut and I'm gonna flat iron them and kind of bump the ends a little bit, not too much, because I don't want them to be too curly, you know? With something like this. I'm curling towards my face. Please. Oh, please. Ugh, I might end up actually gluing this wig down. I'm not gonna lie, because this is so cute. It's so much cuter than I was expecting. I did have a little bit of shedding with this unit whenever I was styling it, but it was nothing like too insane. I didn't do anything else to this hair. It's so long though, y'all. It's so long and just beautiful. I love the freaking texture of this hair. It's so cute. I also did a little blunt cut on my the little ponytail up here. I love that the wig looks so natural. Like that's what I'm really loving. We're gonna do the ponytail part last. Like I was telling y'all, I did a blunt cut across the ponytail because I wanted the little curls at the bottom to flip. I will say this is flat ironing like silk. Like, first of all, I like, ooh, like I would do this just a little. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Yeah, this is eating. I'm so glad we had to take a break yesterday because I don't think it would have came out this good. I'm not gonna lie. I was so nervous for this hair at first. But baby, let me tell you something. It ain't no need to be nervous now. And that's the thing. Like when my hair is done, when she gets the hair together, I am unstoppable. Do not talk to me as if I am regular if I just got my hair done. Yeah, that took no time at all to flat iron. So now we're gonna flat iron my little top pieces. Please, how, I have to give y'all the full view. I have to give y'all the full view because you're not feeling this the way you need to. All right, y'all, so here is the final product. I'm in love. I'm so in love. Look at this. It's so cutesy, but also sexy and grown. I did curl the ends up. Again, I did not lay the edges or anything on the side, but it's still so cute. I'm absolutely in love with this hair. It did shed a little bit, but it's super soft. I love the texture. It gives me like a natural blowout kind of vibe as far as the texture goes, but I am obsessed. If you are interested in this unit, make sure you check the description box down below. I will leave all the details, including a discount code for the girls who may need it. Anyway, thank y'all so much for rocking with me, kicking with me, skating with me. Be sure to like this video and leave me a comment down below. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see y'all in my next one.